Yonkers Railroad Station.
Approaching Union Avenue and Odell Place. Approaching Union Avenue and 4th Street. Approaching Webster Avenue and Lincoln Avenue. Approaching New Rochelle Road and Hillcrest Road, Chester Heights. Approaching Pondfield Road and White Plains Post Road. Approaching Bronxville Railroad Station. Approaching Palmer Road and Kimball Avenue. Approaching Palmer Road and Central Park Avenue. Approaching Fort Field Avenue and Briggs Avenue. Approaching Sawmill River Road and Palmer Road. Approaching Sawmill River Road and Ashburton Avenue. Approaching Ashburton Avenue and Nepperhan Avenue. Approaching Park Avenue and Ashburton Avenue. Approaching North Broadway and Ashburton Avenue. Approaching Warburton Avenue and Manor House Square, Getty Square. Approaching Riverdale Avenue and Main Street, Getty Square. Approaching Larkin Plaza, Department of Motor Vehicles. Approaching Yonkers Railroad Station. Last stop,